Good morning, everyone. Welcome to my coffee and chalk. Today we are actually going to be doing something different. We're going to do a hat. So let me switch me over here. All right, good morning. Yeah, I look like Crumb all the time now because I don't sleep anymore. So yeah, I tried to get a little nap this morning with baby girl, but she, was up all night again. That's like her thing now, I guess. Okay, what is going on here? Sorry, I'm just trying to share this. Pull up your comments. If you were watching the replay, please type replay. If you're watching me live, please say hello. I'm going to share this to my VIP group. And if you want to be in my VIP group and you're not, please comment VIP and I will get you in there. You know why you want to be in there? Because I have a lot of special stuff in there that I can't put anywhere else. So I post stuff in there like specials, bundles, deals, giveaways, free stuff, contests. Yeah. So lots of fun stuff like that. So if you want to get in on that, just comment VIP and I will get you in that group so that you can be part of all that. Because it's super fun. And you're the first to know any new stuff that's happening or any anything really. You're the first to know. You know what's funny is every time I look at this, see above me those magnets that say create? That is the very first chalk project that I ever did. I made those magnets and I just stuck them up there. It's so funny just because like I see everything that I do now and obviously it's, I've stepped up my game, so it's fun to see like progression of how you get better at something. Also, happy Valentine's Day to everyone. I actually had a fun morning. I had kind of like a little scavenger hunt. It was pretty cool. I had 3 little clues and 3 things to find. So, one of the clues brought me to my crafting studio down here. And I got some fun boards to play around on, so I can't wait to do some live videos with that. And then the second clue brought me upstairs to my coffee machine where I got this adorable mug. Okay, look at this. It says, Mom Nutritional Facts, Unconditional Love, 100%. What does it say? Unrevealed skill, 500%. Okay, the unconditional love was 1000%, sorry. Hardworking, 100%. Caring, 300%. Wrong answers, 0%. And caffeine, 110%. And then at the bottom it says, not a significant source of gratitude received. Percent daily values are based on your unique diet. That's so funny. Serving size, 1 awesome mom. So that's super cute. I was so happy. Yeah, so that was fun. Oh, and then there was a third clue that brought me to the kitchen that had more camping mugs for me to make. Those have been selling like hotcakes on my Etsy shop. If you want the link for the camping mugs, go ahead and comment below and just type link. And I'll send that to you because yeah, those have been like flying out the door. So he got me a whole bunch more coffee mugs for me to paint. Okay, so let's get started. I got way sidetracked, but that's okay. It's Valentine's Day, and yeah. Okay, so I am going to move us over here. Okay, so this is the hat that we are going to be doing. It's fun pink trucker's hat. I dig it. So, and we're gonna put sparkle on it. So you need to help me decide though, because I have a couple of questions. Should I put it slanted? Should I have it go into the pink? Or should I just do it straight across? Let me know what you think I should do. And I'm going to soothe baby. Hey, baby. Yeah, there you go. Okay. It's funny because she really likes like high-pitched noises, so she likes it when I go wee. That's funny. So, going to take my sparkle transfer, and again, I don't need to fuzz it because we're putting it on fabric already, but I am going to write on the back of it, sparkle. That's funny, I grabbed a pink marker. Okay, so my other question was, should I do it in purple? Should I do it in pink? Or should I do it in shimmered silver? Leaning towards the shimmered silver. So, speak now or forever hold your peace, because I think I'm going to do the silver. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and put this transfer on here. I love being able to show you guys different projects. If you think of something that you're like, oh, I want her to show us, you know, I don't know, a table or something that's like, I don't know, that you wouldn't expect, then let me know and I will try to do that for you guys, okay? Okay, so this is going to be a little bit difficult. I've never done a hat before, so this is my first time doing the hat. But I think we're gonna be a-okay. So you can see how I'm trying to like maneuver this guy. So what I'm gonna do actually is I'm gonna stick this down. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna paint the top part. And then I'm going to peel it up and put this bottom part down so that we can get that to go into the pink a little bit. So, what do we think? I feel like I want it a little bit more like this. Okay. Okay, so right now I'm just lining it up how I want it on the hat. This makes me think of, have you seen the subscription boxes for Sparkle Hustle Grow? I really want to get one. First of all, I have an obsession with subscription boxes. Speaking of subscription boxes, we have subscription boxes. If you are interested in subscription boxes, yeah, we have, it's awesome. So basically it's $19.99 a month and you get a transfer, you get and you get this size transfer. So it would be like this size. And you get paint colors to go with it. And then you get a little video instruction on how to do it. Yeah, for $19.99 a month. It's awesome. And you get, it's like a surprise transfer every month. So it's fun. It's like, yay, what DIY project am I going to do this month? So it's pretty fun. Okay, so let's try this, guys. If I mess it up, don't judge me, okay? Coffee. I need more already. Okay, so I'm going to use this guy here. Okay. So we're going to use the ink so we can heat set it. All right, here goes nothing. All right. Oh, anyways, so yeah, subscription boxes. So I was talking about Sparkle Hustle Grow. Yeah, that's what this reminds me of. But it's like a business, like a women entrepreneur subscription box. It looks like so much fun. I really want to subscribe to it, but it's a little bit pricey. It's like, I think it's like $44 a month or something. So I don't know, but it does look fun. It comes with a personal development book, which I think is great. I love those kinds of books. It also comes with a free training every month. Well, not free, but you know what I mean. And then fun, like, stuff for your business. I don't know. Maybe I'll try it out, and if I don't think it's worth it, then I'll stop. But anyways, so we have subscription boxes that I'm really excited about. The subscription box from last month was, I don't have it with me because I erased it. But it said, oh snap, and it had collect memories, not things, and it had like a camera. Super cute. I did do it live. So if you want to see that, just let me know. And if you have any questions about the subscription boxes, feel free to ask me, because I would love to talk to you guys about it, because it's really exciting that we're doing that. I'm obsessed with subscription boxes. I want you to comment below and tell me what your favorite subscription box is. If you are obsessed like I am, you've tried a bunch, because I definitely have. So I've tried Causebox, which is really cool. And Globin. Those two are really cool because they're items that are like one-of-a-kind items from artisans from all over the world. So basically, you're helping small businesses. It's awesome. Okay, I'm gonna peel this up. Okay. Peeling this part off so that we can get this bottom part down. Okay. Of course, I'm getting it all over my fingers like I normally do. Okay. There's a little spot here that I see already. Okay, cool. I was able to fix it. Okay, so now we got this part down. So now I'm going to keep going. Right now I'm doing a coffee subscription box, which is awesome. It's called Atlas Coffee. So it's like different coffees from all over the world. And they also send you a postcard from that place. And then they give you like a card that tells you like the best way to brew that coffee and like, you know, the different aromas. So it's pretty fun because I love coffee. So it's very interesting to read about and try different ways to brew my coffee. Like the current one that I'm drinking has me brew it in a Chemex. I happen to have a Chemex. I don't know if you all have brewed coffee that way before, but it's fun and it's something different. If you don't know what a Chemex is, you can ask me and I will show you. Okay, I'm gonna put this back down a little bit. Okay. So what is everyone's Valentine's Day plans? I want to know what y'all are doing. All right. So this is, I should probably wash my hands before I pick up the hat, but I am digging it. It looks awesome. Let me clean this off my hands because I don't want to get ink everywhere. And then I'll show you guys what we got going on. Look at our hat. It's so cute. Well, my hair's up in a ponytail, so it's not really going on my head. But let's see. There we go. That's our hat. I like it. What do you guys think? Something simple, but fun. I'm a fan. So yeah, so I just wanted to show you that you can, seriously, sky's the limit on what you can use this paint and these transfers on. I'm actually doing a piece of furniture right now, and I can't wait to show you guys the finished product. It's been taking me a lot longer than I had anticipated, and you'll see why, because I'm doing like tons of different stuff. It's just a fun piece. It's not like anything fancy that you would put in your living room. It's in my gym, so it's a bunch of bright colors with a bunch of words all over it. It's just a funky, fun piece. So, but anyways, I'm also going to post some new bundles this afternoon, so check out my VIP page for some bundles and with some new products. So if you guys want to check that out, don't forget to comment VIP so that I could get you in that group. And last but not least, if you have any questions about the business opportunity and how I make an income crafting all day, go ahead and type business and I will reach out to you. It's definitely one of the coolest things. Like, it's exactly what I've been looking for, you know? Like, I love crafting and now I get paid to do it. So it's super fun. Okay, so happy Valentine's Day, everyone. And I hope you guys have a wonderful, wonderful rest of your day. Happy, what is it? Friday Eve. So, okay, I will talk to you guys later. Have a wonderful day. Cheers.